And this is Ken Kraetzer for CBSI Services, CBSI Talking Business. We're in Lake George, New York today at the Independent Bankers Association of New York State Fall Conference. I have a chance to talk with one of the technology partners of the event, and that is Sean Carter, who is with NE ACH, which is a payments association. Sean, good to see you. What was the conference like for you?
Ken, thanks for having me. Our conference was wonderful. So my goal coming here was to get a sense of what the community bankers in New York are worried about and talking about. And it's pretty consistent to what you hear. Some slight differences from our territory, but the regulatory pressure and the need for banks to innovate and change came through loud and clear. So I got a lot from the event.
Very good. Now, tell us a little bit about your association in the payments, the clearinghouse field. Tell us a little bit about what it does.
Sure. So NE ACH is a trade association, membership organization. We've been around for 50 years. We're trusted partners of our members. We're not a provider. We're not selling them transactional services. We're actually almost like an additional employee, helping them to understand the trends in payments, the trends in regulation, and kind of helping them formulate their strategy as they navigate the constantly changing payment space.
Very good. What are some of the key issues in payments today, some of the things that you're addressing, helping your members with?
The biggest issue in payments is that it's changing so fast, but nothing goes away, right? So we have been talking about getting rid of checks. They're still there. So financial institutions have to have an understanding of everything that's available, everything that their customers want, and have educated staffs to be able to manage that. And that's the role that we play, is making sure people know what's available, but also making sure their staffs are trained enough to be able to process safely and securely.
Very good. Now tell us a little about what are some of the events and some of the ways that that you work with your members.
So we do a lot of educational events. NEACH.org. We have a online community where we post blogs. We share resources. We do webinars, recorded webinars. We also have some tools to help people train for the professional certifications that are in payments, like AAP for ACH professional or APRP for payments risk professional. And then we also do one-on-one conversations just to try to get a pulse of what's happening at an individual organization. Because every FI is on a different journey with payments, because the customers can be so different. What the customers expect and want can be different from one institution to the next.
Okay. And Sean, maybe tell us a little bit about your career and path and getting involved with this association.
Oh, so I'm the luckiest guy. I've been at NE ACH almost my whole professional career, now 24 years. I was lucky enough 6 years ago to be selected as the president and CEO. So I've just been on a dream journey. I love payments. I love our members. I like to say they helped raise me, just like my parents. So yeah, my career's been blessed, and there's nowhere I'd rather be.
Very good. Well, Sean Carter, thank you so much for speaking with us, and it was really good to meet you here at the Independent Bankers Association New York State meeting.
Thank you, Ken, for having me.
Our pleasure. This is Ken Kraetzer for CBSI Services Talking Business.